Live like a millionaire before the millions come. Have you ever wondered what truly separates millionaires from the rest? It's not just the money in their bank accounts. It's a mindset, a way of living long before the millions ever show up. If you think wealth is only about numbers, you're missing the real secret. Wealth starts with the way you think, the way you act, and the way you show up every single day. Today I'm going to show you why you must live like a millionaire before the millions arrive, and how doing this will change your entire life. Get ready, because the transformation you're about to experience might just be the key you've been searching for. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning with a sense of fulfillment, purpose, and excitement. What if you could feel like a millionaire today, long before the wealth and abundance grace your bank account? It's not just about the millions waiting for you down the road. It's about embodying the mindset and practices that attract success right now. The millionaire mindset is a powerful tool that shapes not just your financial future, but your sense of purpose, satisfaction, and joy in every moment. It starts by choosing to live fully now, not someday. The richest life you can imagine isn't something distant, already available in the present. Success doesn't happen by accident, and wealth is not just about money. It's about adopting a mindset that transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary ones, where every choice and action align with the person you're becoming, not just who you are right now. Step 1. Build financial discipline like a millionaire. Journey to not just acting as if, but becoming the millionaire of your dreams begins with one crucial step. Financial discipline, living within your means, isn't about cutting back or denying yourself pleasure. It's about making conscious, informed decisions with your finances, acting as if every dollar spent or saved is a building block for your future empire. One of the most fundamental principles of wealth creation is financial discipline. Millionaires understand that money must be managed wisely. It's easy to fall into the trap of instant gratification, to spend money on things that give you temporary pleasure but don't contribute to your future success. However, true wealth requires living within your means while being strategic about how you save, spend, and invest. Living within your means isn't about denying yourself joys, about prioritizing long-term growth. Imagine every dollar you spend as an investment in your future, a step toward creating the empire you dream of. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, think about what you could have if you made smarter financial decisions today. Start building a financial foundation. Serves you long-term. Save, invest, and avoid unnecessary debt. The millionaire mindset isn't about the fear of lack. It's about the freedom that comes with financial independence. Wealth isn't built overnight, but it is built through consistent actions. Every decision you make today matters. Invest wisely. Spend intentionally. Think long-term. The millionaire mindset isn't about surviving. It's about strategic thriving. Step 2. Invest in yourself relentlessly. True wealth isn't measured only in dollars. It's found in the richness of knowledge and experience. Millionaires don't just grow their bank accounts, they grow their minds. Every book you read, every mentor you learn from, every skill you master, it's a deposit into the vault of your future success. Self-education is the secret weapon of every true winner. Millionaires are lifelong learners. They understand that knowledge is one of their most valuable assets and a key to unlocking success. The more you know, the more you can do. The more you learn, the more opportunities open up to you. Knowledge is like a treasure chest that never runs out. Every piece you acquire adds more value to your life and your future. But learning isn't just about accumulating facts, it's about applying that knowledge. It's about using what you know to make smarter decisions, create better opportunities, and grow your business, career, or personal brand. Investing in your mind today is the best way to guarantee your future success. True success lies in continuous learning, not just in your field, but in every area of life. A millionaire mindset is one of curiosity, always asking, what can I learn today to be better tomorrow? The more you feed your mind with wisdom, the more it will fuel your success. Step 3. Grow a powerful network. Wealth isn't created in isolation. It's built through authentic relationships. The most successful people in the world, Know that their networks are one of their greatest assets. However, networking isn't about shaking hands and collecting business cards. It's about building genuine, authentic relationships that support your growth and contribute to your goals. The millionaire mindset involves recognizing that everyone you meet has the potential to offer something valuable. As you build meaningful connections, you'll find that they will help you unlock doors you never knew existed. Think of every person you meet as a valuable connection that can help shape your future success. Approach relationships with the intention of adding value. How can you help? How can you share your knowledge, your time, or your resources with others? By building a strong, supportive community of like-minded individuals, you'll find that wealth isn't just financial aids, social, emotional, and intellectual. These relationships will be the foundation for your lasting success. Millionaires cultivate networks of trust, opportunity, and collaboration. When you value every relationship, every handshake, every conversation, you build not just connections, you build your future. Your network will often become your net worth. Step 4. See challenges as stepping stones. Challenges will come. My friends. The path to wealth is lined with setbacks, failures, and obstacles. But true millionaires understand, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Failure is an inevitable part of any journey, especially the journey to wealth and success. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is how they respond to failure. While others may see failure as a setback, those with a millionaire mindset see it as an opportunity for growth. Resilience, adaptability, and unwavering vision turn problems into opportunities. No obstacle is too great, no setback is too permanent, no dream is too distant. Resilience isn't about never failing. It's about learning to stand back up after each setback. It's about maintaining unwavering faith in your vision, even when the road gets tough. Resilience is the fuel that powers your perseverance and keeps you moving toward your dreams. Learn from your failures, adapt, and keep moving forward. This is the key to success. Stay the course. Success is inevitable for those who refuse to quit. Step 5. Live rich now. Not later. Most people postpone happiness for someday. Millionaires in them making live richly now. The true richness of life isn't waiting for you in some distant future. It's here and now, ready to be embraced. Celebrate the small wins. Find joy in the ordinary moments. Appreciate the journey as much as the destination. A millionaire's life begins the moment you stop postponing your happiness. The key to attracting success is belief. Not just any belief, but the kind that tells you, I am capable, worthy, and destined for greatness. To live like a millionaire, you must first believe you are one. This belief forms the foundation for everything else: your actions, decisions, and outlook on life. It isn't enough to act as if. You must also believe as if. Take a moment to envision yourself already living the life of your dreams. What would you do? How would you carry yourself? How would you interact with others? The millionaire mindset is all about making choices that align with the person you're becoming, not the one you are today. Start living that life now with every decision you make. Walk with purpose, talk with confidence, and think with clarity. This is the path to creating abundance in every area of your life. Step 6. Focus on impact. Not just income. Real wealth is not just personal, it's purposeful. Living like a millionaire means recognizing that your success is meant to uplift others. Whether you have $10 or $10 million, you can make an impact today. When you make your life about contribution, abundance flows back to you in ways far beyond money. Living the life of a millionaire isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about embracing the quality of life that comes with it. Millionaires live with intention, purpose, and gratitude. They understand that true wealth lies in the richness of life's experiences, not just in the money they make. Step 7. Make gratitude your greatest asset. Gratitude multiplies everything good in your life. When you're thankful for what you have, you unlock a sense of wealth right now. You attract more, appreciate more, and live with a fullness that money alone can't buy. Gratitude turns ordinary days into extraordinary memories, and ordinary people into extraordinary souls. Appreciate the small moments that often go unnoticed: the sound of birds outside your window, the warmth of a conversation with a friend, the satisfaction of completing a task. When you live with gratitude, every moment becomes precious. Not waiting for the future to bring you happiness, you're creating it now, millionaires. Also understand the importance of contribution. Wealth isn't just for personal gain, it's for making a positive impact. Whether you're giving your time to charity, sharing your knowledge with others, or simply offering a helping hand, every act of generosity enriches your life. True success is about leaving a positive mark on the world. Step 8. Ask yourself the million-dollar questions. To live the life of a millionaire, you must embody these principles every day. It's about waking up with a sense of purpose and choosing to live with intention. The path to success is never straight. But when you maintain a clear vision of your goals and live each day with gratitude and purpose, you will find that everything falls into place. Start today, right now. Ask yourself, how can I live like a millionaire today? How can I act with purpose, learn with curiosity, and contribute with generosity? Your future wealth, success, and happiness aren't waiting for you. They are created in the present moment, with the choices you make today. So go ahead, act as if, live as if. Because in the end, the millionaire mindset isn't about money. It's about living a life of abundance, purpose, and fulfillment. Your journey starts today.